Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Sila. Sila is a young girl who shortly after being born is snatched away from her family and her roots, taken to Istanbul where she is adopted by a rich family who tell her that all her family died. Although from an eastern origin, Sila is brought up in a modern western style. One day her picture perfect crumbles when she meets her so-called dead family and their backward traditions. Her real father suddenly appears and lies that her mother is dying and she goes to Mardin to see her. Her life soon changes when she is forced to marry to Boran Aga, a total stranger, to save the life of her elder brother. Number 9. Khan Chichi Clary. Khan Chichi Clary tells the moving story of Dilan and Baran and the marriage they are forced into to end a blood feud despite the hospitality of those around them, igniting a passion that will either blossom into love or bring devastation. Baran must put aside hatred of his enemies to save his brother and overcome the guilt he feels over an attack that killed his mother as he seeks to bring peace for a family vying for revenge. Destiny comes calling when Baran's uncle reveals he has tracked down those who attacked his parents, but his uncle hides a terrible secret. He is lying a trap and is actually the person behind the attack, hoping to get his hands on the family fortune if Baran were to take revenge and go to prison. Number 8. Isarat Orhun is a successful businessman who was raised in a wealthy but loveless family along with his twin sister Nihan, younger sister Noorsha, and their cold, distant mother Afife. Some time ago, Nihan left to do volunteer work as a doctor in Eritrea, but recently she has been impossible to contact and her family is worried about her. Orhun decides to go after his twin sister and bring her back home. While looking for his sister, he comes across Hira, a poor girl living the life of a prisoner at the hands of traffickers. When they find out that Nihan has been poisoned and killed by a local gang, Orhun breaks down when it emerges that it was actually Hira who was set up by the gang and poisoned his sister. Orhun hatches an evil revenge plan. He will take Hira home with him, but rather than saving her from life as a prisoner, he will make things even worse for her. Number 7. Ayazin Sonu Gunesh. Gunesh is a young woman who has just graduated from university and is about to go to London to pursue her ideals. She is forced to give up all her dreams when her brother is imprisoned as a result of a slander. Wanting to save her brother from the hell he has fallen into, Gunesh infiltrates the life of Ayaz, who she thinks is the cause of the situation. Ayaz is unaware that he will pay with love for the big mistake he caused while trying to protect the conglomerate he inherited and his loved ones. While Ayaz, who has been used to living behind the walls he has built in his heart for years, breaks down these walls with the presence of Ganesh. Ganesh cannot avoid being caught between his feelings and revenge. Ayaz and Ganesh will fight a battle in a journey woven with secrets, and love will be both their salvation and their captivity. Number 6. Rosgali Tepe. Halil, who has been going through hard times with his family when his father is imprisoned for slander, vows revenge when he loses the house where he spent his happiest days after the death of his parents. He puts his revenge plan into action. He is waiting for the day when he will face the Aslanli family who stole his past and his family. This young man who has struggled against life difficulties since childhood now returns to the town to take revenge on those who did this evil to him. Number 5. Guljimal. Guljimal begins 30 years ago in Bursa, where the beautiful Zafar is forced to abandon Mustafa, the man she loves, to marry Saim, who she doesn't. Zafar gives birth to a son, Guljimal, who she cannot bring herself to love. Later, she has a daughter, Gulandam. Her family is like a weight on Zafar's chest, so when Mustafa reappears in Bursa, she runs off with him. When Zafar gets pregnant, Saim hangs himself. The young Guljimal takes his revenge, killing Mustafa with a bread knife. It is at this point Zafar curses Guljimal, telling him he will never be loved. Number 4. Veda Mektubu. Ala Noor's life, which she completely depended on Zia, is turned upside down with the latter. Exactly 30 years later, whether we call it a twist of fate, the ineffable justice of the universe, or the power of love, the paths of Yildiz and Karli families cross again. The fate of two opposed families, especially Ala Noor and Zia, is now in the hands of their children, Asli and Mehmet. While love is waiting to be in the right place at the right time, the fate of Asli and Mehmet unites in the wrong place at the wrong time. Asli will go to Sorbonne, one of the most prestigious schools in France, and Mehmet will marry Hatice, whom he loves like a sister. Despite their family's objections, they choose to walk this path together. These two young lovers don't know that the roots of their strong feelings go back much further to 30 years ago, when Mehmet's father Zia and Asli's mother Ala Noor were about to get married. Zia suddenly disappeared and left Ala Noor all alone. Number 3. Ashk Mantik Intakam. Esra always swore she would never marry a man like her father, whose business failures left her family bankrupt and struggling all through her youth. Then she met Ozan, a bright young engineer entering the civil service. The two married and led a comfortable, stable life until the day Ozan quit the government job to start his own company. Soon, Esra is hustling three jobs thus to keep the family afloat while Uzan bounces from one bankruptcy to another. Eventually, the two are divorced. Years later, Ozan's face is plastered over every newspaper, magazine, and news show. His social media app has made Ozan insanely rich, a tech celebrity, and one of Turkey's most eligible bachelors. Number 2. Uchki's Kardesh. Once upon a time, in a beautiful yet mysterious country, there lived three sisters named Turkhan, Donush, and Darya. As a close knit family, they would dream of a promising future every night, perhaps such an upbringing that was similar to a fairy tale on the pine scented streets of Ivlik had not prepared them for the grim reality of adulthood. Over time, the sisters discovered that life and the choices that are accompanied by it are not as easy as they seem. Inconceivable secrets can be hidden even by those who are trusted the most, and horrific illnesses can lead to the resurrection of the past. This leads them to the question: is there anything in the world that time cannot heal? Number 1. Uch Kurush. A killer is stalking Jinkalli, a tight-knit gypsy neighborhood with little regard for outsiders. He leaves three pennies on each of his victims as a sort of calling card, and this case is assigned to the organized crime unit. His Captain F.A. initially suspects Kartal or Romani Mafia, who is the neighborhood protector and F.A.'s chief nemesis. But in time, F.A. realizes that Kartal can't be the killer. Eventually, the cop and the crime boss form an uneasy alliance to find Jinkalli's three-penny killer. Their mission changes both men. Effie has always looked at Kartal's neighborhood as a breeding ground for criminals and lowlifes, but this case helps him see things from the Romani perspective, and in time he falls in love with the young gypsy woman. For his part, Kartal becomes involved with the daughter of an enemy. As the code he lives by starts to erode, the unaccepted connection between the three-penny killer and Kartal's tragic past will call into question everything he believes. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.